Marketing and sales, creating the perfect pitch. Marketing and sales, creating the perfect pitch. In the fast-paced world of business today, being able to create a perfect pitch is an essential tool for success. In this article, we will explore the key elements of a winning pitch and provide you with tips on how to create your own. Understand your audience. The first step in creating the perfect pitch is to understand your audience. Who will be listening to your pitch? What motivates them? What are their pain points and needs? The more you understand our audience, the better you can tailor your pitch to meet their specific needs and engage them in a meaningful way. To get started, research your audience to gain insights on their behavior, preferences, and values. This information can help you craft a message that resonates with them and positions your product or service as the answer to their challenges. Define the problem. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, the next step is to define the problem your product or service solves. Every audience has a specific set of problems they are trying to solve. Whether it's saving time, reducing costs, increasing productivity, or improving their health. Your pitch needs to demonstrate that you have a solution that solves their problems effectively. Begin your pitch with a clear and concise statement of the problem your target audience faces. Then, follow it up with a story or example of how your product or service can solve their problem. Use in-play, relatable language, and try to be as specific as possible. Highlight your unique selling proposition. It's important to differentiate yourself from your competitors, and the best way to do this is by highlighting your unique selling proposition, USP. This is the one thing that sets you apart from your competitors and makes you stand out in the marketplace. Your USP should be brief, memorable, and meaningful to your target audience. When crafting your USP, think about the specific benefits that set you apart from your competitors. Is it your pricing, customer service, product features, or something else? Once you have identified your USP, use it as a central focus of your pitch and emphasize its relevance to your audience. Demonstrate the benefits. Your pitch should showcase the benefits of your product or service and how it solves your target audience's problems. Rather than selling the features of your product or service, focus on the results that your customer will achieve by using your product or service. Highlight the tangible benefits such as efficiency, productivity, increased sales, and reduced cost that your customers will experience. If possible, provide insights into how your product or service has benefited previous clients. Testimonials from satisfied customers are particularly persuasive and can help establish credibility. Clearly define your call to action. The objective of a pitch is to motivate your audience to take a specific action, such as purchasing your product or service, investing in your company, or partnering with you. A clear call to action. CTA is essential to achieving this objective. The CTA should be the final step in your pitch and should be stated clearly, concisely, and with a strong sense of urgency. Craft your CTA with the understanding that your audience may not have unlimited resources, time, money, or attention. Make it clear what the next step is, and why it's important to do it now. Specific ask or request can include buying the product, scheduling a demo, committing to a partnership, or contacting you for further discussions. Make it engaging. A great pitch should be engaging and memorable. Whether it's using visual aids, Interactive activities or storytelling techniques. Find a way to make your pitch more interesting, relevant, and emotion. Ally resonance.